If you're aiming to boost your freelance income or get into the agency business, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share practical tips and proven methods to help you reach the top tier of Upwork earners. You'll learn how to create a standout profile, write proposals, and get noticed, and build a reputation that attracts high-paying clients. Whether you're just getting started or looking to improve your game, this tutorial can help you hit that six-figure milestone. I've spent over $700,000 on Upwork in 10 plus years, and I've helped over 100 agencies get started and make tens of millions of dollars on Upwork, so I might know a few things about how to help you with your Upwork account. Hit the like button to boost this video in the algorithm, by the way. So your Upwork profile is your storefront. It needs to shine. Start with a professional headshot, clear, well-lit, and friendly. Your headline should be concise and impactful, highlighting what you can do and the results you deliver. In your profile description, focus on the value you bring to the clients, not just your skills. Use specific examples of past successes to build credibility. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and experiences. Strong work examples and a well-organized portfolio can make a significant difference, showing potential clients exactly what you're capable of delivering. Highlight irrelevant past projects and results and outline a brief plan for how you would tackle their project. Personalization also shows the clients that you've put in the effort and are genuinely invested in a job, significantly increasing your chances of getting hired. Your work examples are crucial in demonstrating your capabilities to potential clients. Aim to include at least 3 high-quality, relevant examples that highlight the range and depth of your skills. Each example should be accompanied by a detailed description explaining the project, your role, and the results delivered. Also, use relevant tags and keywords to improve your visibility in Upwork's search algorithm. Regularly update this section as you complete new projects to keep it current. By presenting compelling and relevant work examples, you make it easier for clients to see the value you can bring to their projects. One of the quickest ways to improve your profile and approach is by learning from those who already are at the top. Spend time analyzing profiles of high-earning freelancers in your field. Pay attention to their descriptions, the way they present their work, and how they highlight their skills and achievements. Take notes on common patterns and techniques that make their profiles stand out. Additionally, read through client reviews on these profiles to understand what clients appreciated most. This research can provide invaluable insights that you can adapt and implement in your own profile to attract high-paying clients. Reviews are essential on Upwork as they significantly impact your job success score and overall credibility. Start by requesting testimonials from previous clients or colleagues outside of Upwork to build initial trust. Once you begin landing jobs on Upwork, focus on delivering exceptional work to earn positive reviews. Politely ask satisfied clients to leave detailed feedback highlighting your strengths and the quality of your work. Consistently high ratings and strong testimonials will help you stand out and attract more lucrative opportunities and get you higher in the algorithm. Remember, a solid track record of excellent reviews is more valuable than the highest rate. So when you're starting out, it's important to set your rates at a competitive level to attract clients and build a portfolio. It doesn't mean you have to set it at the lowest level possible. It just means don't set it to the maximum level possible. Research the average rates in your niche and consider starting slightly below to gain traction. As you accumulate positive reviews and successful projects, gradually increase your rates. Make sure each rate hike is justified by the quality and value of your work, but also optimize for more calls. Ultimately, you need calls, but you don't want calls with people who are not qualified to talk to you because they're not very good clients, they can't afford good rates, and so on. Clearly communicate the benefits clients get from your services to help them see the value in paying higher rates. Balancing competitive pricing with the quality of work will help you grow your client base and income steadily. Rates are an indication. You're not bound by them. The real sale happens on the sales call. Also, cultivating strong, ongoing relationships with clients can lead to repeat business and a stable income. Communicate clearly and consistently throughout each project, keeping clients updated on your progress. Deliver high-quality work on time and be proactive in addressing any issues that arise. After completing a project, follow up to ensure client satisfaction and express your willingness to assist with future needs. By providing exceptional service and building trust, you can turn one-time clients into long-term partners, which is key to sustaining and growing your Upwork career. Also, go to the Upwork support section and read what Upwork needs from you to give you the top rated badge, because that's a huge thing on Upwork. It'll give you way more leads, and the leads will behave better and convert better on sales calls. I have a video in the description that explains how to do this if you don't want to read the entire Upwork list of requirements on their website. So click in the description below and watch that video right now, and also watch the other Upwork tutorials that I have.